You've got £20 to spend. Go.
Guys, I will get this, but if there's like something really cooler than this, I'll probably have to put it back. Swag, that's $3.99.
It's $19.97 now.
I got my stuff, so stay tuned and I'll give you a haul when I get back. Guys, I'm back from Smyths, so I'm going to show you what I got. And open them up, of course. Let me just read those two things. So I got these axolotls, and we're going to open these up. I think how you open, I don't know how you open these, so just bear with me. I will probably bring some scissors, or I'm not sure. Let me just straighten it. So I'm going to try. I've got them open, so let's see what we got. Bully. Okay, let me just, yeah. They're really cute though. Really cute. Wait. So funny. Okay. I got two glitter axolotls. No one has the glue glitter yet. They're ultra rare. And I got two. Not one, two. And how many purples have I got? Two purples. I like these. I got two blues. I'm gonna hurry up. Two of these little shiny ones. Four of these orange ones. And then I got not four, two, sorry. Ugh, everybody's messed up. Okay. Then you got these two ones, but the difference is that they got pink ears. Not the same. And then two reds, really cute. Two reds are cute. Then two purples. Then two turquoise. Then two pink ones, which are normal axolotl color. Two lighter pink ones. Two blue clears. And some yellow and pink axolotls. Then a clear yellow one. And two greens. So let me show you these axolotl army. I can't really show it. There. Okay. All of it is going to go to a mascot. Because we're going to open the next one. So, look. These are Kiss. And we're going to open it up. Whoop. Boop. Boop. So the face where what we opened was just the face, okay? This is so cool. I don't even know what this is. We're gonna have to open it. Oh my god! let's see, why is this so cool? I think it's so big too. So cool. That was really, really fun. Not what I was expecting, but we got this cute silver plushie. Kind of plushie. Okay, so this is a mystery bag. It has 16 toys in here. I'm not gonna look when I open this. So whatever is inside is inside. I'm not having a look at all. You guys are gonna have to bear with me. What? Okay. I got this cute unicorn pop tube. Really interesting. I've never seen this before. Really good. Ooh. What's this? Okay. You can do loads of stuff with it. It's a unicorn pop tube. Yeah, I've never really seen this before, but it's right here. I like that. Next one. Ooh, mochi. Mochi. We got a mochi. Yay. This. I'm not keeping count. Stretchy little mochi. Let me get the unicorn. Put them there. Okay. What's this? Oh, what is this? Okay. I like this decor. Oh my god. Wait. It's kind of cool. It's like, I don't really know. It's unexpected. Okay. I like that. I like that very much. Okay. Okay, grab one thing. I found this. Oh, I know what this says. Okay, let me just show you. That's cool. I didn't even know what I was when I picked it up. No! The reason I'm saying no is because I have this. Do I? Yes, I do. Oh my god. But you like dupes, and we're happy with it. What's this? Okay. Next thing we got is this unicorn keychain. So we got digits. What's this? Okay, a toy car. Okay. Okay. Wait, I just realized. Let me just move this to the side. Let me show you. Whoa! I'll be right back. Oh my god, grab that. Got it. Okay. Maybe do that when you have a play desk. What's this? Bouncy ball. Oh, funny. Okay, bouncy ball. This bag is okay so far. This unicorn gem thing. Ow, what's this? Keep cooking. This is. What is this? I don't get this. Okay. If you know what this is, tell me in the comments, please. I don't know what it is. Okay, squishy. Ooh, I like squishy. I like this squishy. That's cool. Oh, it has a face on it. Let me show you the face. Okay. What? It's a poop squishy. The weird thing is about me, I have not owned a poop squishy before. I've never owned one. So, my first poop squishy. Okay. How lovely. How lovely. Wait, how much stuff? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 much stuff. I'm gonna go put something in the packet. No, damn. Don't worry, I do have this, but it's in red, so. Why does it look like this? faces look like this. Okay. Wait. It's like stuck in it. Stretchy neon. What's this thing? Oh, I got 2 things. Oh, we had these at like kids club. Let me just put it down. It's coming at you guys. Oh, I didn't bleed them out. Okay, let me get this next thing. Fidget spinner. Ready? Fidget spinner. What's this thing? Okay. I went, okay. Ducky. Ducky, ducky, ducky. What's this? Is this the last item? I don't know. Let me just bend it up. I'm bending it up so I can spin it. I can't. Let me do that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out a way for this to work. But, yeah. Really cool. Set the last thing though. We got another pink car. What's the difference? They gave me 2 cars. Okay. Okay, that was it. And it's the end of this video, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Mwah.